I always think that there is like the committee and the planning process, right? And then there's the framework of how we use AI. And I think, having specific debates about which tool should we use, and what version of the technology should we be using, or what version of the LLM model should we be using, or where should we stop, those kinds of things are so detailed, and the technology is changing so fast that your policy is going to be outdated, pretty quickly. I kind of think of it as like bringing a typewriter to, like a quantum computer race or something like that, right? It's just going to be too slow. And I think attorneys of all people understand this better than anyone else, right? Because we've been exposed to, the Constitution and the rule of law, and, focusing on kind of the big picture guidelines, the frameworks for what kind of behavior is acceptable, what kind of data are you allowed to put in there, what are the billing practices that are timeless, are probably a better thing to put into this policy, as opposed to what is kind of the hot thing right now, or the hot debate topic right now. Certainly there's a place for discussing that, but you have to have a more framework driven approach to these policies, or they're going to be outdated very, very fast.